In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG file to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This process is simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do it quickly and easily. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have it open, look for the Create PDF tool. This is usually found right on the home interface, but if you have trouble finding it, you can also use the search bar within Acrobat to get there immediately. The Create PDF feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to turn various file types into PDFs, not just JPGs. Next, you should click on the option labeled Select a File. This will prompt a file browser window to pop up, letting you browse through your computer's files. Navigate to where your JPG file is stored. This is important because choosing the right file is the key step in ensuring you're converting the file you actually intend to transform into a PDF. Now go ahead and locate the JPG that you want to convert. Simply click on the file to highlight it. Once selected, the next step is a straightforward click on the Open button. This action will load your JPG into Adobe Acrobat's system, preparing it for conversion. After your file is loaded into Acrobat, you'll see the option to Create. Click this button. What Acrobat is doing here is taking the JPG image and converting it into a PDF format. This process usually takes only a few moments, as Acrobat efficiently handles the conversion for you. Once the file has been successfully converted, you'll need to save it. Look for the Save icon located at the top right corner of the window. This icon often looks like a tiny floppy disk or a downward arrow hovering over a line, depending on your version, but it's always in an intuitive place so you can quickly save your progress or final output. Finally, it's time to name and save your new PDF file. When you hit the Save button, a dialog box will appear, asking you to choose a name for your document. Be sure to select a name that is descriptive yet easy for you to remember, especially if you're dealing with lots of files. After naming your file, choose the directory or folder where you want your PDF to be saved, and then click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your JPG file into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This powerful tool makes it easy to manage and modify your files effectively, providing a seamless experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon this process will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your future projects.